can still fly. And a bird with
What do you think of that? What do you think?
My favorite one because I love a bird panicking.
Well, I think I used too much of an angle.
Yeah, you scared a bird.
I don't think it opened until it hit the ground practically.
Yeah. You scared the heck out of a bird, that's all I know.
You think that bird was scared? Are you gonna climb the fence, Aiden?
Yeah.
No climbing the fence. That bird is angry. Aiden, no climbing the fence. Come on around.
I'm climbing. Dad, doesn't it look like if I was like on the, if you angled this, it would look like there's a waterfall?
Launch site is way over there. And that bird is really mad.
Right there.
Okay, so there's the rocket. There's Aiden. Aiden, why do you think that bird's so mad? Why don't you come look over here and see if you could find out why the bird is so mad.
Why?
Right there on the ground. Do you see it? Right there. A nest. So the rocket exploded about 10 feet from the nest. Poor bird.
It's made out of multiple little eggs.
I'll try not to launch at the birds next time. That bird is angry. That's all I gotta say. One angry bird.
Oh yeah, I did.
But unlike, well, you're wearing a perfect shirt for this too. Angry Bird Bomb.
Dad, I'm gonna give the little birdie a little gift.
No, don't give him any gift. Don't touch the eggs.
I'll put it.
Don't. No, we're gonna throw that in the trash can.
Okay, Dad.
Alright. Well, unlike the piggies, the mean piggies, we are going to leave the eggs alone and take our rocket with us.
Yes, our rocket, which is my dad's fault.
Uh-huh.